Hello guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today's comedy is actually a bomb as usual. It's a bomb as usual, and I want to say something quickly before we jump into this comedy of today. I said something concerning my previous video, and I asked you guys to like, to support me because you have been watching. Most of you don't like, but the way you guys turn up, anticipate this comedy and give me likes, I think I'm really thankful. Thank you so much for the likes. Look at the likes, is huge. I really want to say I appreciate you guys. I never expected this from you guys, but you guys shocked me. For this reason, I'm going to be doing my giveaway very soon. I'm supposed to come up with a giveaway on this video, but something came up, so guys, expect giveaway soon, very soon. I promise you guys. From there on, I'll be doing my giveaway like back to back, because you guys actually is the reason why I'm here. And you guys is the reason why everything is working fine. Without you guys, I think I'm nothing on this platform. So guys, I'll be supporting you guys as well as you are supporting me. I'll be supporting you, regardless of the funny videos I'm giving out to you guys to watch. I don't count down as support. I'm also going to support you guys financially. Sub your phone and explore the internet. So that's what I'll be doing for you, at least. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into today's comedy. Oh yeah, let's go there.
Oh my god. I heard you are the first guy to enter Ultimate in our school and I wanted to be my boyfriend.
Wait, is it because I'm on Ultimate? That's why you want to be intimate with me?
No, it's just that the boyfriend I'm dating currently is on a mature.
Are you sure?
Yes, Joe.
That means it's not mature, dude. You said, believe that, Joe. You see, I like you, and I'm going to increase your to-go star progress with my to-go star booster. You understand? You are my girlfriend already. Let's go.
Thank you for yesterday. It's not even up to 24 hours and I'm already on experts.
Really? My to-go star booster is active now. What are you telling me?
But baby, my SIM is not working.
Your SIM?
Yes.
When you can contact my Dara house, they will supply any country SIM to your doorstep. Even eSIM verification. As long as 500 naira, they are doing it. Calculate eSIM number, everything, they are doing it. Now, why are you doing like this now? I'll help you do it, don't worry.
No, baby.
The way this guy is fast in talking.
Go credit, where is my phone? How much? How many do you want?
2,000.
2,000 go credit. You want to use it to come and joining all those naughty rooms and be sending your nurse and your this thing that I just started dating yesterday. I'm not even doing this relationship again. I'm going to make sure that they take down your to-go account. If your name is Kajiria245, Abi, don't worry.
Oh my god, let's see this one from Gen 2 as it goes. Gen 2 and Wahala.
That's massive.
Babe, you just stand there and watch another man touch
Do something, man.
When you go and fight, show him that you're a real man. A real man will kill anybody for
We
me.
bad people.
A real man will sacrifice himself for the woman he loves. A real man will not just stand there like a dummy and watch another man disrespect his girl.
They play.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
I don't die, my friends.
He's not even strong. You're so strong. You're a real man.
Go the please woman. This is the real epitome of you go the please woman. The most funny thing inside is a loving memory of a real man.
Babe, you didn't tell me you're coming back.
No, baby, I didn't travel. It's a long story, actually. My sister is coming up with my bag. She's going to stay with us for like 1 week or so. Okay?
Babe, before you say anything, he's the plumber. I asked him to come and check the bathroom. There was a leakage.
Which plumber? Chibuzo. Sir? What are you doing here? See Chibuzo? My auntie has boy for about when you begin to plumber? Brother?
They come white, madam.
Hold up.
Maggie! Stop. Then this my younger sister I told you does not like staying in school.
Amanda! You know him? That's my boyfriend.
This is confusing, chaotic, like so chaotic experience. Cheat, jump, cheat.
You know, see, they flog back.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I don't like the way you treated me in front of your friends.
Babe, I'm very sorry. Babe, I've been begging you since morning.
I don't know. See, I don't like it. What is not good is not good. That is the truth.
Thank you,
This man!
It's really not my fault. I had no idea she would do that to you.
What do you mean by it's not your fault? What do you mean by that? I was there, your friends were there, and I was trying to talk to you. You were there, you're just telling me this thing that your friends are. I don't like it.
So it's because of this now you will not forgive somebody you claim to love?
You know which not to forgive you, eh?
Babe, don't worry. I have what will calm you down. I know what you like and I prepared what you like.
Women.
I prepared your favorite.
Which food is that?
Spaghetti and chicken, of course. Now trust me. Exactly the way you like it. With plenty pepper.
You shall know how to get me.
Of course I do. I love you.
So where is it? This man!
I sent this patch now. You should get it soon.
Oh, I think I can see him. This is it, Abi. Open it. Let me see what is inside to be sure that is. What's this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
What? Babe, what did you send to me like this?
Whoa. Spaghetti and chicken now.
There's nothing inside this plate now. It's just
this part right now.
It's not even chicken inside. I can even count the amount of spag in this thing.
My sister!
What's this?
Your food.
Take, Abel, take. See, babe, it is over between us. It is totally over. What is this nonsense you sent to me? I even thought you were even serious. I can see that you're not a serious person.
The inspector has eaten the food. Ryder, don't chop my food, oh. Hey!
My sister be this, why I tell you that time concerning that love potion. She be this.
I go give you one substance. You go apply inside in food. May you chop am. Once you chop the food, he go love you forever. No go for once leave you. Even if you vex am, he go dey love you, they go like that. You dey hear me, my daughter? Stretch your hand.
This part right now don't enter
Your two
chance. I said it. This chop.
Do as I say.
Maybe chop.
And leave the rest for Iwundu.
You want
You dey hear me?
itself into a big trouble. The last thing
You can go, my daughters. Iwundu.
Is that all, sir?
You can go.
Better bolo.
Okay, you leave your house, go to the village house. They eat up a soup. They bring it up patient. No, eat up now. You no good though. You no good though. Let's
This is what you will experience. This is what will catch you. Hey! This part right now, you are into this kind of thing. Stop it. Because one day you will hit somebody.
Come on, you've done enough. Go home. You've tried. You've been working since morning.
My feet still there with you.
I know say you feel still there, but you don't try. They go out now. They go. You are very hardworking. Did you know what you did for me today? Flex those muscles. I'm so proud of you. But please go. Forget this place ever exists. Forget you even know my face. You go out.
You know I love you, Abi.
Love you too. You have tried. Go home.
Tell this person's son they do as boy. But she didn't plan it. Now the son just go chop something we're not supposed to chop.
Oh my Jesus. Finally. Jesus!
I know they go anywhere.
Not go walk, you go cry. He's already crying. There's no big deal there. He's already crying. You know, the chop anyhow.
Well done. Well done. Your husband there?
Yes, him there.
Sharp. Dog, good afternoon.
Customer.
Give me post note 2.
No man.
This guy don't dey act funny.
The day necessary.
Dog.
One young man.
Dog.
Oh, give me a qua.
Thank you, dog. The medicine you gave to me really worked.
You are welcome. Now my job be that, eh? Hey, babe. I be family man. No, I don't marry, eh?
I'm really grateful, dog.
Hey, you are welcome.
Dog. In case you need any other services, I'm at your service.
Which other services? I beg, I'm a married man. Don't tempt me, Chineke.
I don't want trouble. Dog. Your wife no say they knock that girl.
I beg go na get why I said draw gift to. Which can't talk with that one. You know what?
Curiosity make me ask. That's your lot, Abi.
Curiosity made me ask.
Mama, well done, oh.
Well done.
Mama, your husband say may he give me 1 carton of Indomie with 14 Hollandia yogurt.
Jesus.
My husband.
Who want to eat it?
Oji,
14.
go confirm for your papa.
Mama, I need it for the confirmation. I go lie for you.
I wonder.
You have a bigger eyes, man.
Who say I send her something? I don't send anybody anything on you.
Doc, relax now. Why you dey shout?
Hey! Na bia.
Come shebe.
Yeah. One day waiting be this now. Shall I tell you say me and this girl no get anything? Now customer why I send medicine gift.
Doc, even if I go understand, will your wife understand?
No.
You know say divorce feel everywhere this period. For the sake of your marriage, let me just go there and take whatever I want. You pass am.
My husband.
Yes.
Wetin be that? Let me send them.
Let me send them.
Madam, double the carton of Indomie, make it 2 with 28 Hollandia yogurt.
28.
Life is simple.
This is robbery, man. He has agreed that now you are doubling everything. You want to wreck them?
Next time you go to put salt for this.
Let's go on Nduka under the top. Sabinus boy. Let's go.
No, they like soup with salt. No, they did.
Amazing and hilarious.
What's what happen now? You know the person they eat. Chuka for inside the person soup. Now you buy the soup.
But now, are you hungry? Look like a planner. You know now the country be. It's hard for everybody. I beg, no verse for me. I beg. Bros, I beg. Me soup no go cause 2 men problem. I beg.
I know they like this kind of thing, no. No problem now, you chop.
Pardon my manners.
Wow, people they suffer. Oh. Wait, oh.
You're just robbing.
Why you carry my bottle water now? I give you food, man. You eat. Still carry my bottle water.
Okay, you already allow me to chop now. Allow me drink water.
But that's a messy problem, oh. That's what they do for this place.
Oga, you no sabi am o.
Callmiwhizzy, you even carry a bar or apple right from your house till.
Madam,
I
beg help us add pepper for this soup.
Pepper no dey am.
More pepper? Me want get us, sir.
I don't know if you get hair challenge. Bad, madam, leave him.
Hey, nah. In case if you need another soup, you go tell me. Today I cook better, plenty okra soup.
I'm fine.
Madam, you don't get straw.
Today where you don't get small money extra. Like say na big thing you dey buy small right. Okay, make cheap one.
Now, madam, who are you?
Young man, what's the bone of contention now? Why will you intrude upon my privacy and obstruct my delicacy? Have you gone nuts? Is everything okay at home?
Bros, everybody knows that this country hard. If easy for me, I will not come back into your food. I beg, no verse, man, just chop.
Please, everybody has their own problems. You don't just do that. You don't barge into my meal like that. It's not done.
No verse, you get what I go through. Man, just chop, not only hunger, cause
Nah, calm down, oh. You know say na so then they do. If they don't do all the nonsense where they go do finish some, if they don't see anything, they go people house thief. When they thief finish, they will find food where they go chop.
Madam, best be victim, don't keep quiet to see the talk.
Nah, if you talk too much, now I pursue you from my shop. Now I'm gonna go rob.
Young boy like you, find work, they work. Why you behave like this now? Okay, because God don't bless you, no miss all that slavery.
You're gulping the soup, take it easy. You're gulping it. You're even eating meat. And you cannot meet up in life.
He cannot. He's eating meat, but he cannot meet up.
Give him water. Rush, give him water now.
Hey!
Jesus!
Hey! What the? Hey! I talk him. I talk him. I talk and say this man no go fit bear this thing. I talk and say this man go follow him wife.
Madam, what happen?
Now look this man. You see this man, he never reached 3 days when his wife died. Him and his wife, now so they day together like 5 and 6. Love birth, Romeo and Juliet. As the wife died, immediately I give him this soup. I see him in they add something like salt. I talk and say waiting in they add. I know nothing a poison. Nani and now will go, oh you, Professor.
How him?
Hey.
Madam, so this food they poison.
They poison. Okay, it's already. Oh, I get it now. Aye, no.
Madam, you get pamoy.
I forgive you, but the last one where I get, I use and cook better afang soup. You know, say afang they suck oil. Oil. So call them oh.
Madam, wait. Madam, you hold your phone.
What do you want use and do?
Mother, help me call my mama.
I no fit call your mama. My pikin dey here. When I reach house, I go tell your mama say you dey my shop.
Mother, don't go. Mother, call my mama. Mother, call my mama. Yeah, call my mama now. Who they poison chicken? Do they poison chicken? Do they poison chicken? Innocent fowl. Yeah, my mama. Hey, hey.
You go cry, no worry. Hope you are not going. You have seen it. It's like you eat that food.
Thank you very much.
You want anything?
Already holding
I
it
do
now.
okay for now.
You sure?
But let you
Sure.
Francis.
Sir?
You go meet Mother Clara for VIO. She need you this night. She will balance you 500,000.
No, sir.
Ready? David.
Yes, boss.
Your mama. He need you this night too. I'll go balance you 600.
Okay, boss. Okay.
Boss.
Yes.
I beg, nobody need me this night.
Sha, I mean tell you I go help you, Abi.
Abi.
You relax. If I dey for you, I'll let you know.
Body dey hot to.
I'm the
consignment.
This matter no dollar more. I tell you. You know how you take beg me for this parole.
I give you my word, boss. She go tell you scores.
How about tell me scores?
Kuta.
Mama.
How are you?
Very fine.
Is that the sugar boy?
Yes, oh, Sasu. Greet mama now.
With that, me. This guy fat man, call me sugar boy.
Sasu.
I beg you. I know sweet too. Head me.
Sasu, now what me are you plan with this?
Now me waiting me are you safe plan with this now, boss. You tell me Sasu the woman go fat. What kill me?
You want me? Come on, Sasu. All this woman with the fat like this. Now so their money they fat. As you see that woman there, she will give you like 2 million if you don't wear. You close your eye, don't have.
Mama, I don't do now. You just dey cry since.
Don't tell me it's okay. After insulting me.
Mama, I don't insult you.
You insulted me. You called me fat.
Me call you fat? You are not fat. You are just slim thick. See you are a star. You know what go happen? Just go enter bed. Mo do what you carry me come. I swear. I go do you where you go like me.
You're still crying even
Mama, you are crying.
You go cry, no worry.
Am I too hard on you?
I'm not enjoying it.
All these times, you know they enjoy that.
I know they enjoy it. The only way I can enjoy it is if I'm on top.
On top of who?
I don't mind having another extra 1 million.
Is that why you're here?
Do it for me.
You are
boy. You've been crying since.
Oh my!
Is my weight too much for you? For where? You are so light.
Lighthouse.
Who is that person that disturbed my honeymoon?
Wow.
Hey, my junior brother. If I'm in nah.
Oh, this one rolling now.
By this time of the day, never go chop. I boys and Bishop working for me. This is my honeymoon. Let me enjoy my honeymoon. I be when you marry, no enjoy your honeymoon. I sent you to Canada now. You and your wife. So allow me to enjoy my honeymoon. It's nothing. A small thing carry me come. Thing say me and my wife we dey cook now. Now Maggie finish. So I say make I rush down. Come if Maggie there, so you could just find me small money. Make I rush go buy. What kind of nonsense is this, bro? I open a business of 10 million for you. You and your wife and your kids squat that business, and you still come back to beg for more. Ordinary Maggie, you cannot even provide for yourself. One day you can still come back here and beg me for money for pure water. In fact, this is $200. Just take it, $300. Go look for something to do. Let me enjoy my honeymoon, please. Please!
Enjoy your honeymoon, my brother, eh? In fact, let them lock the shop for more than 20 years. But no money they might go feed the collect. I promise not to disturb you again. So we'll go along.
Baba, Baba, calm down. Leave all this night food again. Wait till I need now, a silent night. Ha! Holy night. I want to bury my junior brother.
I've heard your cry.
Baba, allow me to pour out my anger. My junior brother don't pour spit for my face. As I talk to you like this. For a new wife front, now the boy insult me. No be ordinary 10 million when give me. Now make they look down on me anyhow. Baba, assistance now want to silence him.
Ordinary, but you could not
now
afford for yourself.
Let the wife go to open eye. As I buy him, if he collecting wife join, collect house, collect car. Start to cruise my new life. Because if I give that boy more 2 years coming, that boy no go to give me money again. The kind shot what I collect today, Baba, give me whatever it will cost. I'm ready. I'm on force. Currently now,
it's your own money. People are with you. tell.
My son,
From their face.
take this. When you reach there, pour it inside his food. And you come back and thank me.
Baba, I don't want to go there by myself. Take it. I'm making it $200 for you for express job. Go and do it for me. I don't want any stress. Wait till one here, be say, it's done. I'll become the next of kin.
Don't worry, my son. Just give me 5 minutes. The work will be done.
I know who man. 5 minutes. If I do. Look at coffee now, go use berry. Your money will go squander. Let me be going ahead. Let me go and wait for the testimony.
Who is that? Please come inside. Oh, what a girl!
Are you okay?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Confession.
What I mean is, my wife is after my life. She prepare okra soup where she knows I know the chop since I was born. And you die aware of it. Say mama say make I not chop okra soup. My wife cook 7 pots of okra soup with the money I give her. So like this, she knows I know future, but now I say make I rush down to your place. If that is maybe 1 or 2, let me.
Don't worry, my wife prepared a delicious meal. Please come and sit. Let's eat together.
And the brother is so good to him.
Please bring more food.
Very good to him.
Oh, so weak. Oh yeah, good yeah.
This man Amumu. Where you send person you can't put something.
This one will not be enough.
There, you go there, go they eat.
No man. You marry a good wife. This is a wife I'm good one. Tell the man bring more food for me because this one will not be enough.
I wanted the cook. Now my chef the cook. I bring you chef.
Bring more food for me, I beg.
Chef! Bring more food for my brother.
Chef, back.
God have mercy upon us.
That's my blood, chef.
Now my new chef down.
Sabinus.
That's why they pay $1 million every month. He's a professional chef. Chef, I hope that he asked you to do to me. You do it to him now. Yes, sir. I pour everything. Jesus! Put the first one and this one. I pour everything inside so that you see how it tastes.
You put it here.
You don't eat the first one. Eat the second one. I don't know there. How much the stay gasket? I want to bury my senior brother next week.
Oh!
You don't die, bro.
Please, 1 minute.
Yes. This doctor was bribed.
Yes.
Only long run.
You go get satisfied. If now you be person in black say you go handedly build everything, then woman go cause because you put woman for house now at the end of the day, you can't tell me we share the property together equal.
Okay,
No
sir, since
problem.
you are not satisfied,
Yes.
don't you think infidelity is the worst thing that can happen in marriage? Why do you have 2 baby mamas outside your home?
Now Veronica say me you ask me that question.
Sir, please.
Now Veronica say
1 minute. Please.
yes.
Do you think she is filing for a divorce because of the recent finding of you having $10 million?
She not the fire for divorce for that reason. She not the fire for divorce for that reason. That woman a bad person. You dey hear? If he carry me go court,
we need to leave.
somebody when I carry come up for village, I mean carry that person come up for village. The mistake when I dey come. I want to say something. I want to say something. Yes.
Okay, so your wife said you have anger issues. Don't you think you need to see a therapist for your anger management?
Now they find out trouble.
Okay, no, you don't have an anger issue.
Do I look like a person? Hey, I'm coming. I want to ask you a question.
It was due to
I want to ask you. Wait, let me ask you a question. Do I look like a person that have anger issues?
No, you don't have. You don't so shout.
I want food.
Don't
be talkless with this.
Now so we see him.
Talkless, my guy.
I don't tell you again now.
Talkless, you know my guy.
Mommy, I bet what you do?
I get white rice. I get swallow.
You get white rice, get swallow.
Yes.
Give me 4 swallow.
Okay.
That manage am.
Talkless, this one Pablo carry in car give you like this. Talkless, now you the auto.
Guy, now full. Pablo send me. I just see my branch top. Do wetin dey talk.
I talk am now. How Pablo won't just carry in car give you like that?
I want boss to be like this.
Let's have it.
Now Pablo, you tell me this.
You mean am?
I feel not get money, but I get level.
Hey, yeah, Talkless, my man. Poor man will get level. You go pay for this photo.
Now I pay for your food.
Yes, now.
Now I pay for your food. That's why I remember everything we don't do for me for this life. But no wahala. Mommy, POS the work.
Yes, they work. Okay.
I go pay.
You mean am? Pablo, take over.
Swallow for you, my man.
For your own girls, no man. Somebody there won't beat me, daddy.
Bro, no be me. No more slap you.
So I don't talk to no man like this.
No.
Don't worry, I will pay.
100 for you. 100 for you.
Homie, I will pay for everybody.
No wahala.
I dey talk am say you your future bride. Bible talk say he go prepare table in front of my enemy abi. But I mean they pay for una food like this.
Oh God.
Aje. Talkless your future bride. Make my enemy dey enjoy, Mommy abeg my food.
Okay.
Yeah na homie.
Run o. No, thank you.
Yeah na big man. No worry.
Continue.
Mommy.
We go see how it's going.
This food sweet o.
Thank you very much.
You have not tried that ATM.
I go make sure of enjoy this year. For my enemies.
Mommy, add me, John.
A few moments later.
Stop.
Na 3 times go wash today.
Only should be 3 times again.
Na 3 person shop.
Oh God.
Talkless. Pablo.
What did you do for here?
Okay.
Oh, for I send you.
Yes, I just made my branch chop, so but I forget your pin.
Okay, you chop. You forget my pin.
Aje.
Where my card?
My name is this.
Where my car key?
I don't forget that one. No.
I know. Bring am.
Yeah.
You see the wash plate, abi?
Now you are the wait for Pablo.
Oh yeah, no problem. They wash the plate. Make I buy the food I send you.
Pablo, I beg, may I follow you now, Pablo?
Please.
Pablo, I just start you, Pablo. I just start preparing this woman for you now.
Hello, sir.
Mommy,
I must to pay my money today. Today. I'll collect my money. Oh yeah, start to be washing.
Better wash your plate. They sent you an errand. You want to be forming big man, big guy, rich guy with a car that is not even yours.
God is good.
Go and call those people
that
money to come and
well done, sir. Good afternoon.
come and wash plate for you.
Sir, don't try. If you try it, Kele will carry you. Kele agbeyi. I don't pick that condom. It's not good. Yes, I used this with my client like some days ago. He quickly burst up. It never used to last anything. But you see that one beside it. That one is very good. It used to last. It used to strengthen when you enjoy it. Yes. In fact, I would suggest that you pick that one that is down. It has a good scent and it's always elastic. You can even use it and rewash and reuse it again. Very good. I used my client yesterday night. Very good. In fact, you see me. Yeah. Someone sees me again, baby. No ladder, sir.
What is this?
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
What's up,
Pharmacist. OS. Wait. How much for a night? 14,499 naira, sir. 14,500.
You think it's a joke? I'd rather be crying in a Bentley.
Are you sure you can afford this place?
Me, for Ivy Bar. They're stabbing me for this place.
Buy anything.
Hey, give them a one bottle.
Cause I got the money, I don't care.
Shino, can I get some for my sister?
Your mama uncle?
She did.
Buy anything on my name.
I love you.
I love you too. Chop my money.
It's actually like a taxi.
Yes, sir. God bless, sir.
It looks like a time for
You don't stabbing me for here. I never go. I want to see my baby off.
I'd rather be crying in a Bentley. Drying on my tears with some $100 bills. Feeling down in...
She doesn't even have money. You're telling her to buy anything. All confidence. The funniest part in this is actually this scene. This particular man walking, going.
Hey, stop them, stupid boys. Mr. Father, what's the problem now?
At the time they are coming to class.
What's not the issue? What's the issue? Are you people stupid? If I hit you, your hit me, Mr. Father, I don't know what to do. Like you're pressing something. You're pressing the computer lab.
She was sitting on your lap.
That place where they used to pull laptop. Think we not see you. You're pressing something. I'll take
it. What do you want, my boys?
Anything we want.
Don't escalate this. What do you want?
Anything we want, you must be doing.
The way it's not a
You're pressing something.
You don't share now. Come, let's go and do this.
See, we have cash again. You want to press a bomb again. Is that what you used to do?
Kemi, we didn't see you in the chemistry class.
And they even give us assignments.
And they're pressing your ass here.
Mr. Father, come, you can shut up your mouth. Why do you give us 0/10? Why did you give us 0/10 after our last agreement?
Wait, okay, now no write anything.
Yes, now. Come on, change it, John. Come on, change it.
My bad, I will make adjustment.
Wait, do you have any money there?
We need cash, chef.
We want to buy yogurt and egg group from Auntie Grace.
Yeah, just buy yogurt and bread. Okay?
Kemi, you let him bust your bum. Let her calm down.
Calm down, boss. Don't mind them. Wait, just calm down. Wait, calm down. Just take that one. See, this is my phone. I'll help you transfer something. Wait, I'll still help you transfer something. Chibi, you are my son now. Calm down now.
Bad guy.
Wait, come here.
Who plays?
It's like going to fail Neko.
I don't dare my fans.
So you these boys, you still want to tell the principal about things that happened at me? Now they have sacked me. I believe I'm free now.
Free that what?
It's like when you tell principal to go and do DNA for his last son.
DNA for what? Calm down, boy.
You think good not know that you're the one that is the father of that principal last son, that boy. Principal did not have tribal mark, but the son have tribal mark. You're the one.
So what can we do? Let's work things out, my boys. Principal must not know about that, okay?
He must know. If not, we have to have a deal. We are going to be giving us 10K per week. Deal or not?
Wicked. Now come, let's go to restaurant.
We are not going anywhere. I'm going to tell principal self. Will you give us the money or not?
I'll see to that. You guys are my children now. Come. I can still be marking your stuff from another school. Come.
So one use blackmailing finish this guy. Like this is crazy. Let's see this one from Crazy Nation. That goes very loud.
Baby, I'm ready.
Fine girl. How much for the night now?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that one now?
Look at what you're wearing. What? Are you selling market? What are you selling? I beg you that clothes job. So that is everywhere. I
blame myself.
Nonsense. See my baby.
Because this is the best. It's actually more than that.
Who's swear for this people?
Normally, there's some kind of dress to put on, you know.
Wait now. You must body door. I beg you enter inside. No, go finish waiting we start. I beg.
All this one really says, it's too much. Look at me, I don't have strength anymore.
Sure? Not giddy, I think they make my money. Not giddy.
Please, I'm tired. Can't you just treat me like your girlfriend?
Yeah.
We have to see you so now. We ain't girlfriend this time. We have to see you so now. We ain't girlfriend this time. When I tell you 28, they tell me 30. Now like they tell me say giddy. Who they carry cement? I wanted sex again. I beg you go inside you like that.
Can someone talk to this man? Can someone talk to little SMS about his towel? Put it on your waist. You are not a woman for crying out loud.
Don't be like you still there. You still there, yeah.
Yes.
Thank God.
Yes, I agree.
He don't do. The child when you bring just now, the child shortage there.
Oh, that channel short. That child tall. The tall now.
Child where I open, and me say they tear the nylon.
You don't tear them. You don't do the tears.
And you be talk just now say na rain. I make you no quick call. Call receive shelter. Rain dey fall now.
No, me.
Call receive shelter now. Come up.
No, Chaman, I know they go up.
Come up now. Me no dey follow you. Who dey there? Who dey there? Come up now. Where you dey?
Sorry, I have the road.
Baby, why your mama? I sound better. That's why I follow my wife. You can cook. Look at Shaki.
Give me Shaki.
Baby.
Shaki.
See, I know you're not happy with me. Baby, I'm making money. If I'm not making money, you're complaining. All these times you are seeing me with my friends, they are teaching me how to make money. They introduced me to this gaming platform. And you know I like game. WhatsApp game. You're not doing anything. You can use that medium to play game too and make money. You can download it on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store.
So you're not cheating on me?
Yeah? Cheat on my Asa?
Are you sure? No.
Asa, no. I can't cheat on you.
Chief, wait first. Just drop it first. You know what you do for me? Just let me open your mouth small. Do
Huh?
I don't want trouble.
Open your mouth now.
Not juice?
Don't.
Daddy's scared.
Do you know what's going on? If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it.
Eating the food so far. You're not cheating on me.
That's right.
Are you sure it's going to survive it? Are you sure it's going to survive it? They should have let it finish now. We should have seen the end of this comedy. Let's see this one for Mose. How it goes. We don't know.
Very sharp. Clean phone, bro. Check him out now. Follow me by now, bros. Check him out. No guy issue. Me, I don't say you're not correct person. You go follow me by. Check him out. No wala. Okay. Follow me by now, bros. Follow me by. No guy issue. Follow me by. Just transfer to this account number. Follow me by, bros. Follow me by. No guy issue. I deal with you. Sharp, Yana. Correct. I don't see. Sharp. So now make a write for your receipt now, Abi. I do wait for this. Write for your receipt. No, no worry. Alright now. You say right for here. Correct guy, now. Make a tear up for you. Bros, I dey come. Hold on first.
Hold on, my mommy. Don't say it. In this situation, who would you blame? Who is at fault? Who is going to?
Which guy you go slice for?
Is it the seller?
I guess we're not cry for how many months now? Make you buy a football.
Make you go read the book.
Which book? With your dog bread? How many same bread when you carry? How many carry? How much we born when you no fit buy for your pikin? Because no, you wanted to if not for you to go find money, make to carry money, make to go pay the money, find the book. I don't pay for that. We can get a cry. And I'm not tell you.
Enya, 1 Timothy 5 verse 8. A man that cannot take care of his family is worse than an infidel. Take this ball home to your wife.
Child of God, this is not your board. God will provide.
The one where God don't provide already in God.
Mr. Man, are you looking for something?
Madam, how are you?
I'm good.
I've been looking for this ball for a while now.
Hey.
Ask her how long you don't deal with the ball.
How long have you been with this ball? Watch how long? No, you get time.
It's been with us for like 1 week now.
I tell her exactly 1 week you don't look for her.
Yes, exactly 1 week now. Don't they look for this ball?
Jay!
Can you imagine?
You hear the lie, the black Jesus. You be black Jesus. Go worship your online. Carry the camera. Record that.
You mean this ball is your ball?
Yeah. I go lie for you. Okay, let me show you something.
Jesus.
Look at this ball very well. If you see this mark way there here, now me put on.
Hey.
Yes. You see this other mark way there here. Now my pikin I put on. It has 2-factor authentication.
You can swear that this ball is your ball.
Don't eat by me. Do solemnly swear with my life.
Hey.
See now me get this ball. See the serial number 6421.
We don't finally see who get the ball. Oh.
Yes, I don't finally go collect her. Come here, the need is yours. Oh, Jesus, my savior. I don't forget that they know this, yes.
Mr. Man, so you had the balls to use the ball to break my car whiskey, Nabi? You see that Corolla that Benz there? Hey! You run out this ball, now use the ball to break the whiskey.
Jesus! Oh, God! My boy. No, madam. Let me get it.
You said the ball was your ball.
I know my balls when I see one.
This is your ball.
No. I said I can help you find who get the ball.
This ball is your ball.
My balls are here. This is not my ball.
Okay.
Don't me. Do solemnly swear with my life. Let me get this ball.
I don't die, my friend.
Mr. Man, when you get to the station, you and your balls are going to say hi to the DP. Reserve the rest for the DP.
The ball is not clean.
What have I done?
Because you're someone for pressure.
Everybody get down. Yes, get down. Give me your phone. There's a phone.
You just want to chill. Your problem will find you coming. The way chilling spot.
Nothing spoil. As today now, I don't dey prison for the past 15 years. I never. But as I dey here today, one of una must remit. We will be You? No. I mean, are you? Okay.
What is he telling her?
Stay down. Don't move. Don't move.
Hey, babe. You've heard him now. You see, he has been in prison for 50 years. I have not. I know country want to nearly finish him. So, I think he likes you. So, what you do, any style he wants, just give it to him. Any style, if he's talking, missionary, anyone, take him, I can't try that style. Still give it to him, Please, I will not hold it against you. My boss, I will not hold it against you.
Babe, it's not me he likes, so. He say he likes men. You especially. He asked me for the pasty, so I showed him to the toilet. Yes,
Oga, bend down now.
Senior man, I beg. No vex. I used to beg you. Don't see my near Shabe.
I don't make a DD just.
Run, no.
This evening you will die.
He's gone. If you know.
This one this boy brought me to this fine place. Hope we can spend money on me. We cannot spend ₦1 million on me here. It's a big turn off for me.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you love it,
I like it.
Alright.
We've been here since. We should order for something.
My bad, true. Waiter!
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
I'm sorry, can I have 2 bottles water, please?
Yes, please. What about you, ma'am?
What about what? I don't understand. Is it only me that will finish 2 bottles water? Do I look like a camel to you? If they're not train you for hours.
Babe, calm down now. See, don't mind him. I'm not thirsty. Okay. But you can add the water to what I want to order.
Okay. Can I stick to your order, ma'am?
I'm not really hungry though. Can I have pepper talking?
Yes, you
like
can.
5 plates.
Hey!
Do you have Chinese rice?
Sure, we do.
My cousin sister is at home. I need like 3 plates for her. Do you have champagne?
Yes. This way they think say she don't jam maga. Me we go follow toilet japa now.
Waiter, I think I've lost my appetite. Please cancel all the orders.
Oh no, why? Babe? Eat something.
No, I'm fine.
I think the both of them can read their minds.
Foolish animal.
You no go cry, ke?
Let's experience.
Who are you?
Wait till they want this one. Who be this one?
What be this?
Who calls you? Auntie, nobody goes there. Now upcoming content creators them be. See that cameraman for there.
Mazi, now go say quick talk. I don't almost tried there.
Lim out.
Almost finished there. Evil people, they don't waste time to do bad. And Maz, it's like evil people surround in his village. This one is acting about them. I don't know. Let's see this one from this man.
Well done, sir. How are you? Fine, sir. Asa, you know, see, don't think why I don't deceive. So that I will feel surprised you for this Valentine. It's okay. Now the reason why I buy you this car.
Valentine.
He shock you.
What is your game?
You're all being now, right? Yes, sir. Her broke boyfriend. Jesus. Come on, stop it. Mommy, I've already told you. I have a very big surprise for you. This Valentine, I will spoil you. Where's this boy now?
It's a
Mercedes.
Thank you, Mommy, your Valentine gifts. Have it. See, I got this car from Majad Autos. They are based in Alabama. They say luxurious affordable cars like a Porsche, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, Bentley, and even Tesla, and many more. Guess what? They take just 3 weeks to deliver.
Are you serious?
Yes, they deliver nationwide to anywhere in the world, and they won't bring the car to your doorstep. They are tested and trusted. Let me not waste your time, Let's go and test on your new car.
It's okay, son. So it means you won't choose this chief car over me. We'll use my last card and my sweat buy this one for you.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
They are announcing we buy road.
I'll never be broke in my life.
People will start blaming you. You don't have to blame them. You blame the guy that is struggling hard, to please the woman that doesn't love him. That doesn't even, that has eye for big things. Like a managing guy, go for a managing girl like you. You're chasing after oversize. You're crying.
You just take your supplements, the fruits and the vitamins alongside your veggies. Sure to go. Welcome me. Love you, mommy. Love you too. Mommy. I can't find my period. Hey, what are you doing? I can't find it. Oh, yeah. Mommy! Mommy. I don't you tell your money. But look, I beg you. Don't sit down on any boy's lap. They will ruin your life. They will ruin anybody's lap. Mother. I can't find my period. You can't find your period. And where do you keep it? I didn't keep it. Where do you keep the period that you are not looking for it? No, I'm telling you, I didn't keep the period. I didn't keep it. Can you hear me? No, I'm asking you, where do you keep the period? Where's your John C? Where is your period? Where is your period? Where is your period? It has come, it has come.
Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes, so. Wait, stand here. Don't open up.
Okay.
You want to please woman, you.
You mean a lot to me. Open your eyes. Surprise! Happy Valentine Day, my love. For the love I have for you, I had to get you this new car. I got you money and I got you your favorite to prove my love for you. You know I love you so much. You can come have it. Oh my God! All is for you.
God will pay you. See pressure.
You are my love.
Pressure, Paul.
Big. Where's my own gift? You know, Valentine Day is a love something. It's a mutual something. I gift you, you gift me. So where's my own gift?
This guy is stingy.
Calm down. Of course,
You gift your girlfriend and you're expecting
I trust you.
same Valentine. Wait for another feast now.
Babe, I know you don't trust me, but of course I know what you like.
Now, wow.
Happy Valentine's, my love.
What type of gift is this?
I wonder.
Oh wow, my love.
Babe,
what's this?
Babe, you don't like it.
No. Enough is enough.
this is a business kind of relationship, I swear.
I got another gift for you. I'm coming.
Please, let it be something. Let it make sense.
Babe, please, your eyes.
I beg, avoid me. I beg. I just go take me. Give me, make I see. Waiting be this. Why you close your gifts? No. Why are you hiding all your gifts? Let me not talk much.
I don't judge a book by its cover now. Open the gift.
Okay, I will love it, Abby.
Calm down.
They play.
Open it now.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Like it, right?
Gift, not the gift.
I know you like it.
Bro, you even made that shut that shop.
God will pay you.
Did I not
See
try?
pressure.
Who told you that I can't afford
No me gadus videos. No me gadus CLK.
I love you. Now me call they pay for the love. If you like it, buy woman she want to. The day she see another opportunity, another man present himself way better pass you, she go dump you, go follow that man. I dey talk from experience. I know what I tell you. You know that, sir?
I think that's. Well, I don't know if you guys giving and you're
They don't start the match, Abby. They don't start the match. Let me do this. You see, man, you go flog now today. I go break food. Oh, Baba, come on for jail now. Come on for jail now. Come on for road now.
You see now, match don't finish.
I can't take it anymore.
Babe, this hair will look good on you.
Oh wow, the hair looks so nice.
Oh my god, I forgot to write something.
Babe, what is this? Can you explain what this is?
Babe.
So you are cheating on me?
No.
In fact, I'm done.
Babe, I can't.
Jesus, idiots.
There is this kind of mood that you are. Instead of you to get angry, you just burst into laughter. I think that was the kind of mood this guy here actually was. Alright, thank you guys for sticking around till this moment, and I say big thank you to those of you who actually, watch my content, like it and subscribe. I know a lot of you guys have been complaining that I don't post frequent as usual. Like, I don't post frequently as usual. These comedians don't release comedy frequently as they used to. Like, unlike last year, you see them releasing comedy back to back. I can be even uploading every day. But this year, I think the year is just starting, and these guys are actually, trying to put things together, give time to it. I think so. So just have to be patient, just patient with me. As soon as they start uploading frequently, I will also keep uploading frequently. I cannot just get comedy from anywhere, without them uploading. So I believe you understand that. And about this comedy compilation video, I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, don't go. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to share this video to all your social media platforms. Like, a lot of things we actually have to talk about. Like, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm supposed to do my giveaway, on this video, but a lot of things came up. Honestly, a lot of things actually came up. So much things came up, so I need to extend it, and I'm seeking for your forgiveness. I think I'll do my best. Very soon I will commence with my giveaway, and when I start this giveaway, I'm going to be doing it more frequently, unlike before, more frequently, so that you guys will actually still be having sub, getting one or two things. I know the giveaway is not that big, but at least it will help you get some sub and all those things, to explore social media, to explore the internet. All right, guys, what do you think about this SK's comedy? SK said, why are they asking him question? And SK is trying to defend himself like he's not a temperamental person. And I was so shocked hearing that. He's already been angry, and in an angry tone, SK was answering a question that was thrown to him about temperament, about his, anger issue. And how are you going to defend that you're not a temperamental person? You don't have this high temperature. Your temper is not high, or it's an high tone. You're using a high tone to justify yourself. Who's gonna believe that? SK is one comedian that I love so much. I love his pattern, and honestly, his pattern is very similar thing to this guy's pattern, Rookie's pattern. But I know I prefer SK. Not that I don't like Rookie, but I prefer SK. And yes, I prefer SK. I know most of you guys also do. And also Shopofo. How many of you noticed that Shopofo has changed his pattern of acting? Shopofo has actually changed pattern of acting. He's not acting those village style again. It's now a brand new Yahoo boy or all these, one or two scammers. That's what he does now. And I think I'm liking it. I like it. And he talks fast. The fast talk will put him in trouble. He's just doing no. I love his new pattern. And if you do, let me see it in the comment. Let me see what's your opinion concerning Shopofo new pattern. And also, Wheezy, you saw fat woman and you're running away. How can you be running away when you saw fat woman? Are you not the one, or were you not the one who was looking for money. You need a job, you need an employment, and you gotten one, and at the end of the day you're running away from me. That woman bad, that sugar mama bad. How can you tell a small boy like that you can only enjoy it when you're on top of him? On top him. He's not afraid of you being on top of him, he's afraid of the weight. You get it. That's what Whizzy was afraid of. Honestly, that was what he was afraid of. I really appreciate you guys, and I want to say something very important. And on my last video, I noticed a massive numbers of likes, massive number of likes on my previous video. Yes, I've never gotten this kind of likes before. I just, told you guys to please like my video, which you have been watching without liking before, and you actually turned up, and I was so shocked. For this reason, I'm going to do giveaway very soon. Honestly, I'm supposed to do it. I'm supposed to do it now, but please pardon me, something came up. Something came up. So soon, very soon, I must do giveaway for this like that I've gotten. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, for anticipating this comedy, and also for streaming, and also for liking. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, I really don't want to waste enough time. I'm going to see you guys in the next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time. Stay out of trouble. Pray every day. Bye bye.